Okay, hi. I want to share with you one. Well, it's not a page. Well, it has a page, but also has a channel on YouTube. Okay, and I want to talk to you about TED. Okay, so TED Talks. I think that you have heard about it. So there are two options in order to know more information about this, and so you can find more information. So first of all, if you want to, you can go to YouTube and you just type TED, and here you can subscribe. Click here because they are very useful. They have a lot of things. So first of all, you will be able to see that here there are like all the videos that are the most visited ones. Okay, so then when you have the videos, you have lists. They are in different topics. Okay, that you can find in different things. Then you have the community, the channels, and this one I wanted to talk to you. Okay, so channels, and they can, in this one that I like, TED Ed, Educator Talks. I really recommend this one. I wanted to that you should click here and subscribe. Okay, because this is very useful. They have a lot of topics that can help you to improving your teaching skills, but also at the same time are going to be helpful for you as a person. So if you want to also, you can go here with this and you can search for specific words. For example, you want to talk about emotional, for example, emotional. Okay, so here you can see I just wrote emotional, and here it's showing me different topics related to that. You can see it, and as you can see, there are not more than 11-12 minutes. Okay, they are very useful for you. So that's the first one. And the second way to find more information is visiting the website. Okay, so just go with TED, and it's the one that TED Ideas Worth Spreading. So here on this page, you also, if you want to have like more information, and every time that they upload a video or they upload an article or they share something, you can be member of. Okay, so just have to join, and they're going to appear to you different things that you are interested in. Okay, and that's how they are going to start appearing to you different topics. Okay, and here are a lot of videos, as you can see here, and also the same information that I share with you about the YouTube channel. You're going to be able to find it here. So I hope that you can join, be a member, or at least subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you next time.